Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and immediately start collecting data. Enable high-accuracy GPS, open your mapping app, and create a new survey project. Make sure you set the coordinate datum to WGS84 so your points align with common maps, and pick a recording interval like 1 to 5 seconds for balance between precision and battery. Calibrate the compass before you walk. Once done, label the first point, tap record, and walk to the first control location while keeping the phone steady. You now perform the detailed collection. Walk each boundary or feature slowly and stop at each control point to record a waypoint. Hold the phone vertical or use a pole to reduce multipath error. Take a photo and short note for later context. Monitor DOP and satellite count. If DOP rises, wait or move to a clearer sky. Once done with a segment, confirm timestamps and export preview. Make sure your app is saving GPX or CSV so you can post-process and adjust any outliers later. You finish by exporting and validating your dataset. Export GPX or CSV including datum and time zone, then import to your GIS for filtering and averaging duplicates. Apply any control tie-ins or RTK corrections if available. Verify boundary closure and measure residuals. If points look off, resurvey the suspect locations immediately, check high-accuracy mode and compass calibration, and consider connecting an external GNSS receiver. One key tip: if accuracy drops,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.